What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glitz. Thanks for tuning in back to my channel. So today I am doing a video of this Cardi B outfit recreation, my rendition or whatever. So as you can see, this is the final look. You'll see me create it throughout this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I am starting out with the ingredients or whatever of how to make the outfits. I bought 5 bandanas from Hobby Lobby. Y'all, I don't know, this video, I was kind of nervous with doing this. So I was like, do I really want to do this? So my confirmation was, if they have the things that I want at Hobby Lobby, then I'll do it. So I went to Hobby Lobby, I searched the fabric section. I knew they had bandanas, but I just wanted to make sure they had the, you know, the red one or whatever. So went to Hobby Lobby, searched throughout the aisles, whatever, I couldn't find it. And as soon as I was about to go throw in the towel, I saw the bandana. So I was like, dang, I gotta do it. I got some safety pins and I got this like tassel stuff. I'm going to insert some pictures of Cardi. She has 2 outfits where it's like full bandana, and another outfit is like bandana mixed with some denim. So that's kind of where I got the inspiration from. You'll see like I kind of took tidbits out of both outfits and got this look or whatever. So first you want to start out with whatever base you want to have on as far as the clothing itself. I just chose this jean jacket and some shorts, and then I got a bathing suit top to, you know, make the, you know, bralette part. So first I did the bralette, and this is pretty simple. Like all I did is just lay the bralette out, then I cut the, you know, fabric itself, and I just took some safety pins, went around the edges and just safety pin everything together. I didn't cover up all of the bralette because I knew I was gonna put the jacket on, so you won't be able to see it anyway. So if you want to you know, actually do the whole thing, I would recommend something stretchier because my swimsuit stretches and the fabric doesn't. So like when this started to stretch, like as you can see right here, when this started to stretch, this didn't come with it. This was originally down here. So I would recommend a different fabric if you want it to completely cover up your whole bikini, whatever. But so that's pretty simple for that. Next I did the jacket. All I did was take the jacket, laid it out flat, and took like 2 yards of the trimming, and I started from my, what is this called, forearm to forearm, and went across my back, and just safety pinned it where I didn't want it to hang too much. So yeah, everything's pretty self-explanatory. And then after that I did the shorts. Yeah, so I did the shorts, and I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to do the shorts, but I did want there to be some type of what's the word I'm looking for, of elements, bandana element in the shorts to kind of bring the look all together. Because as you can see, she was bandana all the way out. So I just kind of folded it in a triangular way. I safety pinned it in the video, but I ended up taking the safety pins out and just stuffing it underneath my shorts, and it just ended up staying like that. So yeah, and the last piece was this. All I did was take the bandana, fold it halfway, and then just rolled it like I'm about to lay down my edges or something, and then just tied it in the back like this, and that was pretty much the outfit. So now we're gonna move on to the makeup look. I've already done my base makeup, did my eyebrows, foundation, contour, all of that. I just need to do my eyeshadow, highlight, and lips. So the look I am doing is this one right here. I'll probably insert a better picture so y'all can see. First, I'm just gonna prime my eyes real quick. Dang, I said I was gonna do that off camera, but oh well. Feels so weird doing a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one in months, feel like. Okay, now that we're nice and primed, I'm using the James Charles palette from Morphe for my eyeshadow. I will not be picking up I will not be picking up the palette because y'all know it's super big, but that's the palette I'm using for reference. And I'm going to start with I think I'm gonna do like a neutral red tone eyeshadow first. I'm gonna try to leave my lid as blank as possible because it looks like she has like a champagne-y pink on the eyelid. Next, I'm going in with like a orangish red to go right over that eyeshadow I just used, and kind of bring it up a little more towards my brow bone. Okay, next I'm going in with this like super small tapered brush with the red in the palette, and I'm going still in the crease, trying to avoid this inner lid portion. I was inspired by this look, of course, by Cardi B, but I just really wanted to film a video with my red hair. And as most of y'all know, if you're my friend, then you would know that this is my Cardi B wig, that I call it. All my wigs have a name, and this is my Cardi wig. And I watched Amber Shoal's video of her recreating one of Cardi B's looks, and I was like, oh, that'll be a good video. So I was like, let me just give it a shot. So next I'm mixing like a warm brown and a purple to go deeper in my lid, because it's like I can see some purple and some red tones in her eyeshadow. I am going to, I think I want to do this like champagne pink color in the palette that I haven't used yet. And I'm going in with like a flat eyeshadow brush. That's what I was looking for. Kind of overlapping that purple that we kind of put in the crease. She has like this pink liner, and then she has a black liner on top of that. So I think I'm gonna do this pink little line first, and then I'm gonna do the liner. If I need to touch up, I'll just go back. Next, I'm going to line, do a little wing liner action. I'm going to do this pretty quickly, quicker than I thought. And I'm using just the Maybelline, I think this is like a gel or cream liner. The line looks pretty thin, but it still looks dramatic. Like I still want you to see the pink. Next, I'm about to just do my highlighter, how I usually wear my highlighter, and I'm using the Artist Couture and Conceited. I don't know what's going on with my eye. It's poking me. Next, I'm just gonna spray my face. And I'm gonna apply some lashes. I'm using MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil to line. What would look good with this, with the outfit, is like a really dark lip liner, how they used to wear it back in the day. Oh, I messed it up. But I'm still bringing some new age to this. Okay, y'all, my granddaddy had called me, so that's why I was, you know, had to talk to him real quick. But this is the finished makeup look. Now I'm about to put my clothes on. I don't think she had on any accessories. Oh, yes, she did. She had the big old shirt and the big old chain. I ain't got that, but yeah. So I'm about to go ahead and change and show y'all the final finished look, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. It was a struggle trying to get a picture of this because I'm by myself at home. I don't know why I chose to do this when I was by myself, but I'm finally done. I'm trying to cover up my cleavage because it's a lot. This is a bathing suit top, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like it. Also, if I got a good picture, I will post it on my Instagram, so go follow me there to see how the full body look. I put on some heels and you can really see the shorts or whatever of these fringes. I saw a girl like making custom fringe jackets on Instagram, and I was like, that's okay. But now that I've done it myself, I'm like, oh, it's kind of a look. So, you know, comment down below if y'all want to see me do a video making a custom jacket or whatever with other little embellishments, everything. This whole outfit was just like temporary, safety pin, every single thing. But yeah, I hope y'all, my nose running. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.